Hey guys, it's Cheryl with WTI, and I wanted to share with you this energy pre-workout drink that we do. It is by the company Ghost. This is called Legend, and it is a pre-workout drink. It is SONIC Cherry Limeade flavor. It comes with lots of different flavors. We just thought that this would be a fun flavor because we like SONIC Cherry Limeades. It's a powder-based formula. It has a little scoop there. What we do is we take a couple scoops and some water and we blend it up, and then we drink it before our workouts. It helps you to have a little bit more energy, a little bit more focus while you're working out. There is no sugar in this, so you don't have added sugars. It just has some ingredients that give you a little bit more energy to get you through your workout. It's very easy to mix up. So you take 1 or 2 scoops depending on how intense you want the flavor to be of the Ghost. This is the Cherry Limeade Sonic flavor. We put it in this blender bottle and we just shake it up. This is our pre-workout drink. So here it is in the bottle, all blended up. Tastes just like Cherry Limeade Sonic. Great pre-workout drink. So if you're looking for a pre-workout drink, this Ghost Cherry Limeade Sonic one is pretty tasty. It'll help you get through any workout. However, that is just my point of view.